Welcome to another episode of Digital Library with Eric. This time we're going to check out some resources in the databases. As always, let's start off at Digital Resources, Databases, and then let's try Help with School Assignments. Today I want to try Literature Resource Center. And here we are. There's two authors right off the bat, but I want to look for one specifically. One of my favorite authors is Joseph Conrad. In the search field, enter the last name and then the first name of the author. There he is. There are over 300 articles. Let's try one of them out. You can see it's quite a bit of reading. Let's go back to the databases and choose magazine articles this time. I'm going to search for Joseph Conrad again. You can see I got 71 hits, and they're completely different from the other database. Feel free to explore the many databases, and also feel free to call us here at the Crowell Public Library at 626-300-0777. And if you'd like to talk to me, extension 544.